yesterday I called MDSA, that's Metal Detector South Africa, and I ordered myself a metal detector and it arrived today. Some great service. I want to say thank you to the guys at MDSA. Really good service, really quick. They said it's only going to come Monday, it's Friday now, so it came really quick. So got the, doesn't look like a big one, but it actually is. It's a great one. It's the Nocta Macro, the Simplex Plus, and what you've got inside it is the actual metal detector. It's fully waterproof, submersible, up to 3 meters. It's got a nice LED screen. It's got 4 settings on it. It's nice and lightweight. It's also wireless ready, and you can do some data transfers. It's got a backlit on the LCD. It's got a nice flashlight as well, which could come in handy. Yeah, comes also this specific one I took. It came with also the headphones. I did ask them if the headphones are worth it. They said to me definitely. It does make a big difference. I've also seen some reviews where people are saying that definitely take headphones with metal detectors. It makes a huge difference. So I took the advice. Yeah, I'm very excited. So open it up and see what it looks like. Like I say, I ordered it yesterday. It arrived today. I didn't expect it to arrive until Tuesday, to be very honest. But yeah, let me open this thing up. See what yeah. There you go, goodies. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on in here. I'll show you like that. So we got a Simplex X, or Simple X, or Simple 6, whatever you want to call it. That's that. That. Here is the headphones. It's the Nocta Macro wireless headphones. They are quite pricey by themselves. They do cost about 2,200 Rand. So yeah, quite pricey by themselves. But I'm very keen to try them out and see what they're like. So you got that. Okay, oh, 100% wireless. Little bag with some wire, USB cable. Presume this is for the earphones. These wires, there's a strap. There's also a charging unit that charges via USB. I like how they kept it as simple and as they could, which is great. What else we got? Sticker. Join Metal Detecting Finds Worldwide Facebook group. Awesome. So, okay, this is the headphones, green edition, what they're called. So, this is for them. Okay, and then I've got a metal detector inside. Actual unit, and then left in the box of the coil. So here is the shaft, very lightweight. The whole unit only weighs 1.3 kilograms, so it really isn't much of a big strain on you. So with that, and then the unit strapped to the box. Wasn't expecting on doing a metal detecting session today because I didn't think I'd have it, but now I do, and I'll definitely be very keen to go and try it out. So that's what the unit looks like. So also quite lightweight. There's a little bit of weight, I suppose that's where most of the weight comes from on the screen and the LCD unit, the interface unit. And then inside you've got another shaft. See how this good. Yeah, this goes down at the bottom with your coil. And then you got a 11-inch coil. So it's also got pinpointing. They said for the money, this is the best unit you can get. It's a unit that's all that's in the box. It's a unit that costs entry level and rated very high. So some of the guys rated near the top of the mid-range units. So we'll see what they mean by that. So I've never used these before, but I'm very keen to try it out and use it. So yeah, hopefully you'll see me soon, and maybe I'll find something cool.
How's it, guys? You can hear the wind is really hectic. It doesn't matter. I'm at Kaiman's again. Yeah. I've got my metal detector and I'm gonna try. This is my first try. I'm gonna see. Get something. It's a really chilled beach, so it's nice for practicing, nice for testing out. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, I'll see you guys if I actually find something. Yeah, cool. Okay, so my first find ever is a tent pen. Yeah, well, that's pretty cool. So some dude came here, he was parking here and he forgot his tent pen. I'll carry on. Okay, so my next find, also light cap. Yeah, starting to get the hang of this. First I didn't really understand it so much, and yeah, it's getting better. So here we go. I got a toy car. How cool is that? I'm gonna put it on the shelf. It's one of my really cool finds. A nice Ford truck, yeah. That's really cool. Just to show you guys how beautiful this beach is, man. And there's absolutely nothing going on here. Really beautiful. Cool. Let's see if I can find more. Here we go, guys. It's my first coin. And it's a 1 rand. Excellent. It's a 1 rand. Awesome. I did find a whole lot of other stuff that I haven't shown you. I'll show you at the end. A whole lot of junk, but I'll show you guys at the end when I carry on. It's almost dark. How's it, guys? I'm back from my first beach metal detecting session. It was fun, quite hard on your legs. I enjoyed it though, and I didn't find anything too valuable, or I didn't find anything really valuable at all, but I did get a whole lot of junk off the beach and a lot of alloy. I didn't record all of that. I did record the truck that I got. I think that's my favorite find. Like a little kiddie's truck. First item I found was the pen, the peg, which was quite cool. I got a whole lot of bottle caps, some alloy brackets, found a lighter. Obviously Castle Light is the favorite there. And then I did also, I got 1 rand, for those that's not South African. 1 rand's not much. I did get another coin. Don't really know what that would be. There's no coins that size, so I'll clean it up and see what it is. Yeah, so that's what I got. Still exciting. I'm gonna go again in the morning if the weather permits. So I'm gonna go to another beach. I went to Kaiman's beach, and I actually merely only went. I wanted to test the metal detector out. Yeah, so at first I didn't really know what to do. It is very simple to work it. I am gonna read up a bit on it tonight and see how to use the discriminative function on it to avoid getting all this trash. You're gonna find less, but you'll find more valuable stuff. If you guys enjoyed the video, my first metal detecting session. Yeah, if the weather is really good tomorrow, I might just go under the water. The detector I've got does allow that. Otherwise, I'll do the beach, and it will be either Herald's Bay or Vic Bay. I'll still decide a little later. Yeah, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys.